Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we are deep into the month of July, and we have a deal for some free ice cream over at Walgreens. It's either going to be very cheap or possibly a freebie if you can line it up exactly how I'm going to describe it. And I recommend to do this deal in store just because you want to pick it up right away and bring it home and put it in your freezer. Now, if you do not like these sort of deals with ice cream, I made a video yesterday all about curbside offers. I know a lot of you prefer to order things through your phone, desktop computer, drive to the store and get it and say, "Hi, my name is Barry Smith. Give me my stuff." Some of you really thought that was funny, but I'll link this video at the end if you want to see the curbside stuff for all of the berries out there. If you could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, it really helps me out. Take a quick second and like this video, and I would be so happy. And Barry would be so happy as well if you could take a quick second and then like the video. I hope some of you are really laughing about that at home. Okay, first thing we're going to talk about, guys. $1.99 for an 11 by 14 print. And you order this through your cell phone, desktop computer at home. Use the code POSTERFUN. Today, which is Tuesday the 11th, is the final day for this offer. It's once per store card, but that's the code to get this poster that's almost $13 for $2. Okay, so without further ado, let's talk about the ice cream deal. In store or as a curbside, it's $5.49, and this is called the Eddies. Now, in different parts of the United States, it's either called Eddies or a different name. I have it written down at the end. You'd have to scan the other one. I think it's called Driscoll or something like that. You'd have to scan the Driscoll barcode to see if it's working with IBOTTA, or say you're in California and it's Driscoll only. Maybe the IBOTTA rebate will be for Driscoll ice cream and not Eddies. Now, yesterday when I went and got my 11 by 14 print, because yes, I wanted to get an 11 by 14 print made, when I went to pay for my stuff, this guy popped out of the machine, which is $5 back when you spend 10. And I think they're trying to get us to make smaller baskets because probably too many of us want to do the, 6 transactions to get that $50 of Walgreens cash, that bigger monthly progressive one. So they're trying to say, like, do smaller baskets. Here's something for you. So noted on that, but let's utilize this in this deal. IBOTTA's also giving back $5.19 when you buy 2 of these Eddies ice creams. And this is the 48 ouncer as well, the one in store. And in store, you can decide what flavors you want, and it's just a little easier. Checkout 51 or swag bucks, depending which one you use, is also giving back $1.25 for each. So make sure that you have that offer loaded. Grabbing 2 of these Eddies ice creams, that's going to be $10.98. Get the cashier to scan that booster, which is $5 back when you spend 10. Pay the full amount with your debit card, and then you are going to get a receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA for $5.19 back when you buy 2. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying $10 of merchandise. So boom, there it is. $2.50 back from checkout 51, making this free plus a $1.52 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards if you're using a booster with this deal. And in different parts of the U.S., it's called dryers. So you'd have to open up your IBOTTA. Is there an ice cream called dryers in your area? And then go to the store and scan it. But up here in Michigan, it's called Eddies, or I think Midwest, it's Eddies. Let's say you do not have that booster of $5 back when you spend 10. Grabbing 2 of the Eddies ice cream for $10.98. Photograph it to IBOTTA, the receipt. Get $5.19 back, get $2.50 back from checkout 51 or swag bucks, making it $3.29 for the 2 or $1.64 per ice cream. And these are the larger 48 ounces, so it's not like, the 3 ounces of Haagen-Dazs. You're getting quite a bit of ice cream, so that's nice. And again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or store register rewards or any kind of register reward to get your out-of-pocket a lot less for this one. And again, that it looks identical, but it's called dryers. So you would have to check your IBOTTA and the different rebates if the dryers has a rebate for that on IBOTTA, and also triple check IBOTTA that these rebates are still there, because a $5.19 rebate for ice cream, it's going to go pretty quickly. Okay, guys, so the next deal we're going to talk about is the Lucky Charms and Cheerios. And I'm sorry, these tags are a bit older. I just didn't get some new photos of the cereal when I was in the store. But they're $1.99 this week for the General Mills cereal for either the Lucky Charms or the Cheerios, whichever one is your favorite. Um, Probably a preference, which one you like in your household. I'm not going to do this deal because, keto diet, or have to mention that in every video. Okay, load this coupon, which is $1 off a two. And if you go over to IBOTTA, there's some very unique rebates. We have a 75-cent for each box of the Lucky Charm, plus, as I made in my preview video last week, there's 50 cents back for each Cheerio. So if you wanted to grab one of each, you could do that if you're trying to finish like a midweek IBOTTA rebate thing. Or if you are just preference to the Lucky Charms, or if you just want the Cheerios, you can also get like two of each, however you want to do it. But let's just look at the Lucky Charms deal right off the bat. Grabbing two of those boxes for $3.98. We have that dollar off two digital melting off. Pay $2.98. Get 75 cents times two back from Ibotta. So that's $1.50 back. So the final price point here is $1.48 for the two, or 74 cents per box of Lucky Charms. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down that balance and photograph it to Ibotta to get your money back. And, I know a lot of people would absolutely prefer the Lucky Charms, but some people that would rather have Cheerios, here's another deal. So grabbing two boxes of the Cheerios, the same price point because they're $1.99 this week, subtracting that digital coupon, you would pay $2.98, get 50 cents back from Ibotta for each box, so that's $1, making it $1.98 for the two, or 99 cents per box. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, you're doing this without a booster, absolutely go for it. But just a way to get some very cheap cereal deals. I would definitely check Shopmium if there's another rebate for $1 off two. Maybe you can get both the Cheerios and the Lucky Charms, or you can get, four of the Lucky Charms, get a lot of money back because you can do the rebate up to 5 times. So it is, any way you slice it or dice it, really good deal. I do read through the comments a lot, and sorry I don't get back to everybody, guys. It's just me here, so sometimes it's a little harder to get back to everybody. But with the Viva Paper Towel this week, it is $4.99, and a lot of you were reporting in the comments of my Sunday video that there is $1 off coupon. I didn't get it personally, but that $4.99 with the dollar digital would drop it down to $3.99. And I did check coupons.com, like, is there one there? Because I don't have it in my digital coupons folder, and I don't have it. But maybe check your digital coupons if you want to get this for $3.99. That's a really great price point. And a lot of you love Viva Paper Towel. I didn't know it was that popular, but it is a very popular paper towel. That's it for this video. Go and get that cheap ice cream if that is your thing. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.